Now, the way we do that is we look at three weaknesses. Okay. They either have no coverage, low coverage, or they're missing a supporting policy. What do I mean by no coverage? Meaning they don't have auto insurance and they need it, or they don't have a particular coverage on their homeowners and they need it. So there's no coverage. Or there's low coverage, meaning we know what, or we feel like we know what best will protect them at the minimum, and if they fall below that minimum, we need to point it out. We need to say, there's a problem. You don't need to go below this level. So that's low coverage. And then there's missing a supporting policy. So maybe you're married and you have kids. You need life insurance. Okay. Maybe you have a home and you don't have water backup, which for us, like your home floods or something like that, or we get flood insurance to keep your home. So we establish what's known as agency standards. That means that we talk from the minimum. We say, look, at a minimum, you need this. Okay. It's the same thing with your computers. When you guys decided you wanted to be remote virtual assistants, there was a minimum recommendation for your computer software, right? There was
Yes.
a minimum recommendation for the amount of RAM or the amount of ROM or the amount of power that your computer had. And now you can try to work without that, but it's going to be a problem when things go bad. That's how insurance is. Okay. We're going to recommend a minimum. And then based on that minimum, you can try to go below that minimum, but just know if you do, things are going to go bad. Okay. If you ever have to file a claim. So now you're like, okay, well, Billy, what does that have to do with us? Well, what it has to do with you is everyone on the team needs to understand what the purpose of the agency is.